So if you've been cooking more seasonal recipes lately, you've probably noticed how often candy nuts show up on salads, roasted veggies, or even desserts. The good news is you don't need a complicated recipe to make them at home. For these candied walnuts, you only need 3 ingredients: walnuts, maple syrup, and melted vegan butter. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Add all 3 ingredients to a bowl and mix until the walnuts are evenly coated. Then we'll go ahead and spread them out onto a prepared baking sheet and bake for about 15 minutes, stirring a few times during cooking so they don't stick or burn. Once the syrup thickens and coats the walnuts, remove them from the oven and let them cool. They'll crisp up as they sit, and once cooled, they're ready to enjoy straight off the pan. If you're not using, feel free to store in an airtight container. Now my favorite part is snacking straight out the bowl, or I'll go ahead and include one of these other recipes I add them to, my roasted Brussels sprouts and butternut squash. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.